the channel, and today we'll be showing you about our car and we'll be giving you an update on the garage. So let's go!
All right, man, the enthusiasm. So the car, we've had a lot going on. It's been the move, had the shop built and so forth. So here's the Camaro. We've been making a little bit of progress, trying to work on it as much as possible. We put the fenders on, and that was a chore. There was no easy way to do it. It didn't really line up right. Just in general, the gaps and everything. So we will definitely, we're not looking for a show car, more an autocross car. And we're gonna have to put some work in and really figure that out. We also bought a different intake. We're trying to figure out how we can make that work and enclose it, because we probably won't run the inner fenders. Another thing we found out was we will have to pull this motor again, unfortunately, because the motor mounts that we have here, the transmission mount didn't line up. So we might do a time lapse on that once we get the shop back up and going. But it's been a slow go. We've been you know, we've blasted all these parts and painted them, and it really turned out nice. So we're trying to, after the move, figure out where everything's at. And today we're going to organize a little bit more. But one of the most exciting parts, if anybody was wanting a shop update, tell them what's going on, Nathan.
We're getting electricity soon.
Yeah, so we've paid electrician to come out, and they've done a good job. You know, sometimes things never go maybe as fast as you want or you might think, but they've got it pretty much all roughed in, got the panel set. We have the power coming from the outside as far as from the meter base to here, and now we're waiting on the inspection. And this is what we were just talking about, is how much wire it takes to run a house or even a shop. So we don't have a lot going on as far as the wire, but we're going to get the air compressor hooked up, some 220 outlets, and then the office area, we're getting all the outlets in here. We have fans, we have the lights for outside. So hopefully next week it'll all be done. Here's a view of the back area, if it'll show. And this is all the dirt work we've had to do. So we haven't been busy with the car, but we've been busy with the shop. So there's the meter base. We had to dig, what was it, almost 36 inches. So I think we went 40 deep, hit some rock. So that was all last week. And it was a lot. So now we're putting a new ceiling fan up in here, which is pretty cool. We went and bought some LED lights. This fan's pretty cool. Let's see, it's got more of a shop theme to it, so that's going on. And then yeah, just life in general. So what do you? Oh yeah, we got the door. So as soon as we get the electrical inspection, we're going to figure out the ceiling insulation, and we're going to finish off that room. I was hoping to have it done earlier, but just like I said, that gets a little tough work and all that. But once we get everything set up, we should be able to get back on the Camaro. And we actually bought a new set of heads, some 821 heads. So now we're looking, we have those just hanging out for, I guess maybe for an upgrade later on. If we go LS3, yeah, we'll see how long this motor lasts. But that was exciting, Nathan. You got anything?
Well, the car's been doing very good. We've ran it a couple times, and it's been driving, or not driving, but running quite well. So that's all I got.
Okay, well, that's good. Okay, guys, well, thanks for checking it out, and we will give you another update when we get a chance, and hopefully we can make some more progress to get this car going.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.